Hello beautiful souls, and welcome back to Prince Chakras, the channel where we dive into the mystical and explore the extraordinary. Today, we will be embarking on a journey through the quantum realm, a dimension where the rules of reality don't apply. But before we dive into the intricacies of the quantum, if you haven't subscribed yet, consider joining our cosmic community by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell. Trust me, you won't want to miss the cosmic revelations we unveil here. All set? Now let's go. Scientists and quantum physicists have been unraveling its secrets, revealing a reality that challenges our understanding of time, space, and existence itself. Within this mysterious realm lies limitless potential, the power to unlock our ultimate abilities and transcend the boundaries of human limitations. Imagine a world where time and space crumble, where the smallest particles hold the key to unimaginable power. This is the quantum realm. But why are we exploring the quantum realm on Prince Chakras? Well, there's a fascinating connection between quantum physics and spirituality. The very essence of the quantum realm aligns with ancient spiritual teachings that emphasize the interconnectedness of all things. Here on Prince Chakras, we believe that by understanding the quantum realm, we can unlock our ultimate potential and tap into the universal energy that flows through us all. Free your mind from the shackles of conventional thinking and expand your consciousness. In the quantum realm, limitations cease to exist, paving the way for innovation, creativity, and transformation. But be warned, dear friends, the quantum realm demands respect. It teases us with glimpses of the extraordinary, yet challenges our very existence. So how can we access the quantum realm and unleash our ultimate potential? One powerful technique is through meditation. By quieting the mind and raising our vibrational frequency, we can align ourselves with the quantum field. To navigate this wondrous realm, we must cultivate our intuition, for it is our inner compass that guides us through the vast expanse of possibilities. Visualization is another tool to bridge the gap between our conscious and the quantum realm. Envisioning the reality we desire helps shape the quantum particles around us. Also, energy healing practices with techniques like Reiki and Qigong. Now let's bring it all together. How can understanding the quantum realm enhance our daily lives? From personal growth to enhancing relationships, and even manifesting success in our careers, the principles of the quantum realm provide a powerful framework for creating positive change. Many have experienced incredible transformations by applying quantum principles to their lives. Now let's experience the quantum realm together. Find a comfortable space, close your eyes, and join me in a guided meditation to connect with the quantum energy within and around us. Begin by feeling the support beneath you. Whether you're sitting or lying down, sense the surface that holds you. Imagine roots extending from your body, anchoring you to the earth. Feel the grounding energy, connecting you to the present moment. Shift your focus to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your lungs to fill with revitalizing air. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. With each breath, feel a sense of calm washing over you. As you continue to breathe, become aware of the space around you. Visualize a gentle, shimmering light surrounding your body. This is the quantum energy field, a vast sea of potential waiting to be explored. Imagine reaching out with your awareness and merging with this quantum energy. Feel the waves of possibility and creativity flowing through you. Sense the interconnectedness of all things, realizing that you are an integral part of this cosmic dance. Now, in this quantum space, set a positive intention for yourself. Envision the reality you wish to create and feel the emotions associated with that manifestation. Trust that the quantum field is responding to your thoughts and feelings. As we conclude this meditation, express gratitude for the quantum energy that surrounds you. Know that you can return to this space whenever you need to reconnect with your true potential. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the quantum realm. Remember, as we explore these realms of existence, we uncover the boundless potential within ourselves. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content on Prince Chakras. Until next time, embrace the magic within and keep exploring the realms of consciousness. Namaste.